بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
The Ababil bird, also known as the swallow or swift, is a type of migratory bird. These birds are primarily aerial, meaning they spend most of their time flying and can reach incredibly high speeds. Their wings are long and narrow, and their tails are forked at both ends, which helps them maintain extra balance while in flight. They are typically found in tropical regions but migrate to different countries in search of warmth during winter. The Ababil bird can be spotted in Bangladesh, India, the Middle East, and parts of Africa. They usually build their nests on tree branches, under house roofs, or in mountain caves. Their primary food source consists of small insects, which they catch mid-air while flying. A common misconception about the Ababil bird is that it sleeps while floating on water. However, scientifically, this is incorrect. In reality, these birds can remain airborne for extended periods and sometimes rely on wind currents to rest. One of the most fascinating features of the Ababil bird is its speed and ability to stay in the air for prolonged durations. Some species can fly continuously for several months, a feat unmatched by any other bird in the world. Their flight capability is exceptional. They have slightly curved beaks similar to swallows and nightjars, with small and pointed features. Their body length ranges from 10 to 24 centimeters, and they weigh between 10 and 60 grams. Their tails are composed of 12 feathers. A notable weakness of the Ababil bird is its short legs, which make it difficult for them to perch on trees. Instead, they find it easier to cling to telephone wires. They are also known as weather forecasting birds due to their sensitivity to atmospheric changes. Their lifestyle and behavior continue to intrigue naturalists. If you would like to see more such videos, don't forget to let us know in the comments. Thank you.